Oh, that's a weird noise. My sound didn't even work. I don't know why.
Just put music behind it.
I tried to do, but that didn't work out too well last time.
Just put random music.
What is he doing?
Put it like in a caption, changing sensitivity. They're like blind.
I'm like, got it. I can hear the headset.
Yeah.
How long is the game? 5?
28 seconds.
5 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
It's not that bad. Oh my god. Like that guy.
This is when you like raged. And then you got sniped. Oh shit.
And then a caption on that, theater fail. If you look at that guy, he kind of looked like a guy.
Yeah, because he's a guy.
No, like the guy that was that I thought was there. The guy that I thought was there, like the guy you like left on, and he's like he died from the guy I killed before.
I don't know.
Like the dead body, it kind of looked like him. I died. I can't believe I died from that. These guys would walk right past you every time.
I know, these guys are so bad. Panic never.
I am, and I know it. When do I get better?
What?
Do I do better at the end?
Yeah.
Yeah, better do better at the end.
Oh, it's just a complete waste of time.
Well, I'm putting it on because I was 30 and 10. My arms hurt. Oh yeah, because I'm like, I love that spawn, bitch.
Who would run into a thing, just get away from Predator, and stop right at the entrance?
I know.
Dumbass.
And look at that guy. Love you. I can't believe this actually got close at the end.
I can't believe another guy walked past you.
Leg.
Do you seriously sit here? I was gonna say, I was like, wow.
I don't want to look like a camper online.
Happened again.
Oh my god, I love that spawn.
Bitch. And there that guy gets dumbass. I don't know how you think you get killed. This guy looks retarded. I'm cool, guys. Come here, look at the doorway. Complete dumbass.
I'm painting. I'm painting the wall again, guys. Painting knife, walk a big shot.
This crack on the aisle full. Down the wall.
I'm just gonna look out the entrance where less people come through.
You seen someone with a gun? No, I'm coming by this area.
I'm just not even gonna try to kill him, and look at that motherfucker. Level captain. Like, we level up a lot.
Yeah, I know. Actually, we're only like a level 44. match ago we were 42. Our weapons rank up a lot.
Bitch.